Folding RABA helmet. It is a type of bike helmet that can be folded to a compact size for easy storage and portability. The helmet is designed to provide the same level of protection as a traditional helmet, but with added convenience for urban commuters or those with limited storage space. The RABA helmet was developed by an Israeli startup company called Kloska and was originally released in 2015. It features a unique folding mechanism that allows the helmet to collapse in 3 stages, reducing its volume by up to 50%. When folded, it can be easily stored in a backpack or purse, making it a popular choice for city commuters who don't want to carry a bulky helmet around all day. The helmet is made from high-quality materials, including a polycarbonate outer shell and an EPS foam liner, which provides excellent impact protection. It also features a magnetic chin strap for easy on and off, and comes in a range of colors and sizes to fit a variety of head sizes and styles. The all-in-one high-tech wearable for cyclists and e-scooter riders with gesture-controlled turn signals, automatic emergency brake light and position light. Snap the 2 armbands around your upper arms and you'll be safer on the road in no time. A flasher armband set typically includes 1 or more armbands with built-in LED lights that flash or blink to increase visibility and promote safety during nighttime activities such as running, cycling, or walking. These armbands are usually made from lightweight and durable materials, and they may be adjustable to fit a wide range of arm sizes. Flasher armbands are often designed with multiple lighting modes, such as steady on, flashing, or strobe, to offer different levels of visibility and help draw attention to the wearer. Some models may also include reflective materials to increase visibility even further. Flasher armband sets may come with batteries or rechargeable battery packs, and some models may offer additional features such as water resistance or USB charging. They can be useful for anyone who wants to stay visible and safe during nighttime activities, including athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and commuters. BrightLoc is an innovative 2-in-1 system that combines a bike lock and lights to provide 360-degree visibility and the perfect lock for a range of cyclists. The system is designed to address the unmet needs in the cycling community, including increased rider safety, bicycle security, minimized accessories, and overall promotion of cycling as a healthy lifestyle. The BrightLoc system includes a steel U-lock on both rear and headlights, providing an advanced lighting system with a high-grade U-lock. It is a unique solution for bicycle security and visibility that can be used by a wide range of cyclists. BrightLoc was launched on Kickstarter, and it has received a lot of attention from the cycling community. The system was developed by Trig and BrightLoc to solve the problem of bike theft in the United States, where a bike is stolen every 2.5 minutes, and nearly $1 billion of cycling-related accessories are stolen every year. Overall, BrightLoc is an innovative solution that addresses the challenges faced by cyclists, including safety, security, and convenience. The 2-in-1 system combines a bike lock and lights to provide 360-degree visibility and a high-grade U-lock to ensure bicycle security. The system is perfect for a range of cyclists, and it is an excellent choice for those looking for a practical and efficient solution to keep their bicycles safe and visible on the road. CIRRUS is a smart jacket designed to provide airbag functionality for cyclists, making it a comfortable and practical option for biking, while also serving as a cool piece of outerwear at all times. The jacket is designed by CIRRUS, and it has a combined weight of 1.8 kilograms and runs on a lithium battery that requires a 3-hour charge and can last for about a week of standby use. The CIRRUS airbag jacket is available for pre-order on Kickstarter at a discounted price of €730 $890 United States dollars, which is a savings of €219 $261 United States dollars from its future retail price. The package comes with one CIRRUS airbag jacket as well as a saddle sensor and installation kit. The shipping address, size, and other details will be requested through post-crowdfunding surveys once the campaign ends. In terms of safety, the airbag functionality of the CIRRUS jacket is designed to provide added protection for cyclists in the event of an accident. The airbag system is activated when a crash is detected through a saddle sensor, which sends a signal to the jacket's onboard computer to inflate the airbag in just 0.1 seconds. The airbag is located in the back of the jacket to protect the cyclist's spine and prevent whiplash injuries. Overall, the CIRRUS airbag jacket is a highly innovative and practical solution for cyclists looking to enhance their safety on the road. Its unique combination of style, comfort, and added protection makes it an excellent investment for any avid cyclist. The quad-lock out front bike mount is a smartphone mount designed for cyclists. It allows you to securely attach your smartphone to the handlebars of your bike so that you can easily use your phone for navigation, tracking your ride, or listening to music. The mount uses a unique locking mechanism that securely attaches your phone to the mount and the mount to your bike. The mount is compatible with a variety of different phone models and can be easily installed onto your bike's handlebars. One of the key features of the quad lock-out front bike mount is its versatility. The mount can be easily rotated, allowing you to use your phone in either portrait or landscape mode, and it can also be tilted to provide the optimal viewing angle. Overall, the quad lock-out front bike mount is a great option for cyclists who want to use their smartphone while riding. It provides a secure and versatile mounting solution that is compatible with a wide range of phone models. A bar-end bike mirror is a type of mirror that attaches to the end of the handlebar of a bicycle. It allows the cyclist to see behind them without having to turn their head, which can be particularly useful in heavy traffic or on narrow roads. Bar-end bike mirrors come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they all share a few common features. They are usually made from lightweight materials like plastic or aluminum, and they are designed to be easy to install and adjust. Many models are also adjustable to allow for a customized view of the road behind the rider. One of the advantages of a bar-end bike mirror is that it provides a wider field of view than other types of bike mirrors, such as those that attach to the helmet or the handlebars themselves. This can be especially useful for riders who need to keep an eye on traffic behind them while navigating a busy urban environment. Overall, a bar-end bike mirror can be a useful addition to any cyclist's gear, particularly if they frequently ride in areas with heavy traffic or limited visibility.